Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay tuned to my channel, obviously by subscribing it. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my latest videos. I know you were waiting of my new video. So ladies, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. So let's start the video. Today I am presenting beautiful, classy, outstanding, mind-blowing and fantastic short, trendy bob haircut ideas. These all bob haircut ideas are for all age girls. These haircuts will enhance the beauty of your personality when you get them. No doubt, these all haircuts are really classy, amazing, outstanding, mind blowing, and fantastic. These all haircuts are really amazing and very easy to carry them. After getting these hairstyles, you will be ready to go anywhere anytime. You don't need to style them for long time. When you get them, you will be ready to go. Even you can attend any function, fashion show, any event, any wedding, any reception, any get together, and even you can go casually in office, in college, and go to any public place as well. These all haircuts are really amazing that will enhance the beauty of your personality. No doubt you are beautiful already. These all haircuts are for all age girls. You can select any hairstyle which suits you. You can select this hairstyle according to your choice, according to your age, according to your favorite hair color. I am presenting all the. You can choose your favorite hair color and haircut from this video according to your choice, age, face shape, and according to your fashion and color taste. So guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like the video today. If you do, you can appreciate me to comment section. Also, if you like the video, you can share this video to your friends and family members and social contacts. In this way, they will get updated with fashion and trend always, because I make video on fashion and trend always. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing, and keep supporting the channel, and keep supporting me as well. Your support keep me energetic and boost me to make video for you guys according to your choice. I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourselves, and again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. I will be there in next video. Take care yourselves. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you all and have a great hair day.